In today's video, I'm going to teach you this hidden Windows setting is eating your memory. Disable it now. If your PC feels sluggish, even when nothing is open, the culprit is often a background feature called sysmain, previously known as superfetch. Its job is to predict what you'll open next and preload parts of apps into memory. That was helpful back in the hard drive era. But on modern systems with fast SSDs, it can keep your RAM unnecessarily full and trigger extra disk activity, leading to high idle usage and stutters. Let me show you how to turn it off safely, and then we'll free up even more memory by trimming two other background features. Start by opening the Services console. Press the Windows key and R together to bring up the Run box, type services.msc, and press Enter. The Services window lists everything running in the background. Scroll down until you find sysmain. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, change Startup Type to Disabled so it won't start again. Then click Stop to halt it immediately, followed by Apply and OK. Nothing is being uninstalled. You are simply pausing a predictive caching service. Your apps and games will still open. They'll just load what they need when you ask for it. Within a few moments, you should notice memory usage dropping and the system feeling snappier, especially right after startup or when switching between apps. Next, let's tame widgets. The News and Widgets panel can quietly consume RAM and network resources even if you never open it. On the desktop, right-click the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, and toggle Widgets to off. This removes the live feed and the background processes that power it, reclaiming a bit more memory and reducing distractions. Finally, turn off Delivery Optimization. This feature speeds up Windows Update by allowing your PC to download parts of updates from and upload them to other devices. It can use memory, disk, and bandwidth in the background. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, choose Advanced Options. Then Delivery Optimization and switch off Allow downloads from other devices. If you only have one PC or you prefer not to share bandwidth, you won't miss this feature. That's it. By disabling sysmain, turning off widgets, and stopping delivery optimization, you free up RAM and cut down on background activity, which can translate to smoother performance on SSD-based systems. Thanks for watching.